Hello guys, welcome to Dailyhacks channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how to change your new shower hose at your home. So basically this is very simple. So sometimes your shower gets scaled up or you don't get the right pressure on it. So basically I'm going to tell you how you can change by yourself. So this one you can get like 20 quid or maybe like 10 quid as well from the B&Q if you are living into the UK, or from Screwfix as well, or sometimes you can get from the Walmart if you are into the US or somewhere else. You can choose your hardware store or to get these type of shower hose for yourself. So basically it comes with the two things. So one is the whole shower and the one is with the hose. So this hose is basically very strong hose, so you can use it for your shower and it will last longer. I'm gonna tell you. So in the box it comes with the two things, one is hose and one is shower. So I'm going to open in front of you so you will get like great idea how to use it. So basically these two, you will see they have put the tape on it, so they have, just because it has a rubber seal in it. So mostly what happened if I open that one, so I'm just trying to find the, so yeah, that's that was the thing. I was just confused because mostly it come over here. So you will see it doesn't have any rubber seal here. So what I will do, they have given with a different packet, so it basically come into that. So this one is called the ring or ring, so which you have to use over here like this. So like this you can use it. And the next thing I'm going to tell you to open this shower itself. Let's unpack it, and this is your shower. So what you have to do from one side, just put your rubber seal in and try to thread over. This is very simple, like this. What this rubber seal do, mostly people will thinking like, why you put the rubber seal in? Just because if you don't use that rubber seal, your shower will start leaking from here or from the end, from where the main supply is. So the other end will go onto the main supply. As there is no pipe here, so I'm showing you just like same thing. So you will have to use the same as the other rubber seal. So just use that one over here because it's come with the pack, two of them. So you can use that rubber seal and you can use that one onto your tap from where your water supply is. That would be same threaded, so you can use that one over there and start using your shower. And this one is your speed adjustment, like different modes in it, 3 modes mostly, that's it. So you can use like this at your home. Hope you like my video. If it's useful, like my channel and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.